Hello everyone, this is Hafsa Ramsha Mushtaq and you are watching Ramsha Tech Box channel. And today I'm back again with another very exciting video, and today my topic of discussion is that how to get employed after graduation. This is a very common problem that everybody faces, that after graduation you just wanted the right job for you and you don't know what would be the process to get a job. So today I will guide you on the basis of my personal experience. So there are three steps that I will tell you that will help you to get a job of your desire, and we will discuss all these steps at the end of the video. So let's start it. So this is LinkedIn. This is a professional site, and you have to update all your educational background here. So like this, you have to write a complete note about yourself and attach your resume here, and this should be a professional resume. For this, you can go to any CV template editor or any resume editor. You can just make your professional resume here, or if you don't like any of these templates, you can create your own by using Microsoft Word. You can do this. So after that, you have to just attach all your skills, like if you're interested in article writing, you have published any article on LinkedIn, just attach here. And you can add all your previous experiences along with all the certifications, all the awards, all the winnings. You can just attach the pictures here, and you can attach all your educational background and a list of certificates and awards here. In this section, you can just add your skills. In this section, you just need to add all your accomplishments, like if you have wrote a research paper, you have any publications, you have done any courses from foreign universities, you have run you have got some awards and certificates. You can just attach here. So this was all about updating LinkedIn. Most of the time that people make account on LinkedIn, but still they don't know how to properly use it and don't get a job. So after that, what you have to do, you have to just search about like if I want to get a job as an electrical engineer, then what you have to do, you have to just search about the companies, like if I write Descon, I will get all the pages of the Descon here. So I will like all these pages, so that any job here, then I will get to know, yeah, if there is a vacancy and if it is relating to me, I can just apply for it. So this is the first step. You have to just like all the pages of different companies that is your target and you want to work there. After that, what you have to do, you have to search these companies as well and go at their pages and make an account there. Like this is a page for Descon, so you can just make an account here, update all your info here, and you can check that what are the jobs that are coming at Descon, and you can directly apply from here. So this was the second step, and after that, if your target is Descon, you can just send invitation request to all the HRs of the Descon and write a proper professional message and tell about yourself, and attach your CV and send to them. So if they are hunting for any vacancy and you are the right match, they will contact you. So this is also a good way. And after that, if they provided any email ID, you have to just go at your Gmail, write a proper professional message. Don't send your CV like you just didn't wrote anything there and just you wrote, just attach your CV and just you just mailed it. This is very unprofessional. So you have to write a proper message, a proper email, and attach your CV and send to that company email ID. So this is an other way. After that, I will recommend you to go to the Rosy and make an account here. There are many steps which are involved in making the account. You have to just go through all these steps, update your info there, and search job here. In my personal experience, this is a very good site because I got all the jobs by using Rosy. So I will recommend this site to you. So just and then go to your CV manager and attach your CV here and make it public so that people may look at your CV and contact you. Career okay, this is also a very good site. You can just update all your info here, make your proper account, and there are many job vacancies which come here and you can apply here as well. So there are some other sites as well, Indeed and so many other, but I mostly use LinkedIn, Rosy, and Career OK. I will recommend you these sites. So after that, I will recommend you that if you are looking for a job anxiously, then you have to daily fix 4 to 5 hours and properly check your LinkedIn account and see that if there are any job. So I will recommend you some of the wages that are good. Because I personally got a good experience from them. So at LinkedIn, if you search engineering career opportunities, you just follow this. So they properly post jobs relating to engineering on daily basis. So you can just follow it and you will be notified and you will get to know that yeah, these are the jobs and you can easily apply it. I will also recommend you guys to follow the hashtags. So if you guys follow the hashtag like jobs for fresher jobs, etc., and so many others relating to your field, so it would be easier for you. And whenever you find a job and you just get to know, yeah, this is a very cool job, yeah, I was looking for this job and I really want to get an interview from there. So for that, what you have to do is first find the email ID of the company that they provided for that vacancy to get the resume, and if they gave you a proper email ID to mail your CV, so you should wrote a proper email, and you have to make your cover letter as well. So whenever you are applying for any job, attach your cover letter, your resume, and wrote a proper email, a proper professional email, and send to them. Just search that company on LinkedIn, just follow the page and like there, and then send the connection request to all the HRs of that company, wrote a proper professional message, and that would describe your skills and how you are perfect for that job, and attach your resume and just message them, and then search on Google about that company, make a proper account there, and after making the account, apply through the website as well. So if you are really enthusiastic and fully focused to get a job, so you have to try very hard and you have to properly check your LinkedIn, your Rosy, your Career OK, and maybe you guys know some other better website for job, so you should properly check it. On my personal experience, I will give you these advices. I hope so you will get a job immediately after your graduation. So do apply and stay focused, and apply on daily basis, and inshallah you will get a job. If you really like my video and help you a lot, press the bell icon, subscribe button, like button, and do comment as well. Thank you so much for watching.